Another one? Seriously? 120 power units just went under? True North out of Georgetown, Ontario. I got a text message yesterday. I was very busy yesterday. I couldn't get to it, but last night I started texting the driver that works there, and here are the text messages that I received. Hey brother, True North Freight Solutions not paying money to more than 150 drivers. Please make a video. Said, hi, do you have the company website? And then I started looking into them. He said they're out of Halton Hills. They fooled all of us. They did not pay for more than 3 months and making excuses and playing with emotions, saying that they're arranging money. So basically the company, I guess, as payments start bounced, drivers are asking them, when am I getting my money? And that's when they say, oh, we're arranging for money. The wire transfer didn't go through, or whatever other excuses they're saying. But now they took all the office setup, meaning that they probably shut down their office. Okay, now I was able to find some stuff online, and there was actually a really good article about True North yesterday. And so for now, there's a complete shit show where drivers are returning, finding out that the company has ceased its operations. The yard, from what I understand, in the office have been evacuated, meaning you can't find anybody in there. I think the drivers are extremely pissed off because they were led to believe that money is being arranged, that, they're working on a solution and do one more trip. And the guy that I was talking to, I understand that he has lost about $40,000. This is an owner-operator. Now, I do understand that times are extremely tough right now, and we will be seeing more and more of these companies, or companies going out of business. There's companies that go out of business and they warn everybody and they let everybody know, and they make sure that everybody comes home safely, and they make sure that, once the drivers arrive, they try to comfort the driver. But there's other companies that go out of business and they're trying to maximize their earning potentials and the damages. Finally, our dispatch course is live. We have designed the perfect dispatch course for those interested. The course was designed for you to take at your own pace, at your own time, and in the comfort of your own home. And best of all, it is now available on the most trusted platform. Now, even better, when you complete the training course, you will have access to ongoing training and mentorship sessions by me. For those interested, come join me in this lucrative industry. The East Indian community here is actually doing a really good job where they're going to the person's house and they're protesting along the street. I mean, this is unbelievable. I wish some of these videos were in English because, the East Indian community is doing a great job, but they're really not partnering up with anybody to let the public know with what is happening. Because I try to look at these videos, and can you imagine, you have 30, 40 drivers protesting at the owner's home about the damages that they've done and that drivers need to get paid. I think it's something new. It's something that we haven't seen before, but they are just sick and tired of this treatment. I mean, this is one driver that's owed $40,000. So this is what I really don't like, okay? So I really don't like that, there's a few drivers that are stepping up and they're saying that, hey, it's been 3 months, they owe us X amount of dollars and X amount of dollars, and we used our own fuel cards. Guys, I talk about this in my videos all the time. There are signs that companies are going out of business, okay? And if you choose to continue to work for a company that has problems with payments, that has problems with fuel cards, that has problems with paying you on time, right? You have a choice whether you want to continue staying. Yes, you're going to lose 10 or 15, but I can assure you that, if you continue to stay in this company and hope for the better times, then a lot of the times, if that company does go out of business, there's a lot of guys right now that have $40,000 that's being owed to them. The owner operators, they usually do not get paid out. The ones on payroll, the ones that are company drivers, they have a claim and they can go after, the company, and they can actually go after the owners personally. A message to you all drivers out there, you guys know what's happening well before everybody else. Meaning that, if a company is going under and you see it, try to make a little bit more noise, or maybe you can, reach out to us well before. I mean, I'm doing this video right now. The company has already gone out of business, or the company is no longer there. There's nothing to attach your claws to. But if we know this information well before, then, there is stuff that you can do about it. All right, so don't leave things to the last minute. Inform us well before. We're very popular on all the platforms and we're extremely responsive to messages. So utilize them and share the content and warn other people. Give other drivers a heads up so they don't end up losing, the $40,000. I really do feel sorry for this truck driver. He went on and letting me know of how he's losing this money and how it's going to affect him and how, he can't afford to lose that money. And I told him, I really wish I could help you, but unfortunately it's a little bit too late. I mean, if you came to me 2 months ago, I would wind it down for you and I would tell you, hey, find yourself another place. You don't need to continue working. Lose the 10 today, but it won't accumulate to the 40 tomorrow. You know, guys, this is exactly the point of these channels, and this is why, you know, there's a community of more than 500,000 drivers a part of our community. And that's because we want to warn one another. We wanted to unite truck drivers so this kind of BS does not happen. So guys, use these channels to your benefit and warn other drivers so they're not going to be in the same situation that this driver unfortunately is. Hopefully you learned something in this video. I'll catch you in my next one.